Ever wondered how the stock market actually works? Let's break it down in just 60 to 60 seconds.
A stock index is like a basket. It groups many company stocks together to show how the overall market is doing. Each index is calculated using a weighted average. Bigger, more valuable companies influence the index more than smaller ones.
Prices move because of supply and demand. More buyers push prices up. More sellers push prices down.
News, company earnings, global events, and even investor emotions can shift the market within seconds. So an index tracks the market, prices move with supply and demand, and news drives it all. That's the stock market in 60 seconds.
Subscribe to Account Finance with Raavi for finance and accounting insights.